It was a bright Sunday afternoon. Children were playing in the park, running, shouting, and laughing. Among them was a little boy named Karan. He held a colorful kite with a long tail. It was his favorite toy. He had been waiting all week to fly it. Karan ran across the grass and sent the kite into the sky. It flew higher and higher. He smiled and shouted with joy. But suddenly, a strong wind blew. The kite shook, turned, and then tore. It fell to the ground. Karan picked it up and saw a big rip in the paper. His smile disappeared. Tears filled his eyes. He sat on the grass, holding the broken kite close to him. Nearby, an old man sat on a bench, watching quietly. He had seen everything. Slowly he stood up and walked toward the boy. "What happened?" the old man asked in a gentle voice. "My kite, it's broken," Karan said sadly. The old man smiled softly. "Let me see." He took the kite in his hands. His fingers were slow but careful. From his pocket, he pulled out some tape and a small piece of paper. He worked quietly, fixing the torn part with patience and skill. Karan watched with wide eyes. After a few minutes, the man held out the kite. "Try now," he said. Karan's face lit up. He grabbed the kite and ran. The kite rose again, gently at first, then higher and higher. Karan laughed loudly, his sadness gone. He turned and waved. "Thank you." The old man smiled and sat back on the bench, happy to see the boy's joy return. That day, Karan learned something important. Small acts can bring big smiles, sometimes bigger than we imagine.